Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic of my video is Veeam Backup Essentials. Enterprise level data protection for small businesses including Veeam Backup and Replication and Veeam One. Affordable backup and availability from small businesses. Veeam Backup Essentials, which include Veeam Backup and Application and Veeam One, offers the same enterprise level functionality as Veeam Availability Suite and gives you everything you need to modernize your virtual data center. Veeam Backup and Application V9 includes essential VMware, us Sphere, and Microsoft Hyper-V backup components for small business, including two-in-one backup and application, improve off-site backup and recovery with when accelerated replication, replication from backup, and one-click site failover with support for plain failover. The second option is instant VM recovery. Recover a failed VM virtual machine in less than 2 minutes. Veeam Cloud Connect. Easily extend your data center off-site with fast, secure cloud backup and application. Sure backup. Test every backup every time before launch and ensure full recovery. Veeam Explorer for Microsoft Active Directory instantly recover individual Active Directory objects and entire containers as well as user accounts and passwords. Veeam Explorer for Microsoft SQL get fast transaction level recovery of SQL databases and restore SQL databases precisely to a desired point in time. Veeam Explorer for Microsoft Exchange get instant visibility and granular recovery of individual Exchange items, including hard deleted items you thought were lost forever. Automated monitoring and reporting for SMBs. Veeam One, an essential part of Veeam Backup Essentials, provides complete visibility of both your virtual and backup infrastructures through powerful and easy to use monitoring, reporting, and capacity planning tools. Veeam One's automated 24 multiply 7 monitoring and alerting helps notify you of backup and performance issues before operational impact. It also includes 30 plus pre-built backup reports to help you maintain backup visibility. Upgrading from Veeam Backup Free to Veeam Backup Essentials is easy. Using Veeam Backup Free Edition, it's time to upgrade and experience the difference. Veeam Backup Essentials provides powerful enterprise level functionality designed to grow with your business and provide the sophisticated features and functionality you need to easily manage ever increasing backup complexities. Upgrading to Veeam Backup Essentials provides you immediate access to full features including instant VM recovery and fully functioning Veeam Explorers.